everybody, I am Peter Maslyukov from Yaroslavl Medical University, and today I will test fluorescent cube for DAPI from Optolong Optics from China. So DAPI is excited by ultraviolet and it's observed by blue light. So today we will use a label for fast blue. It's also excited by ultraviolet, and we will observe blue staining. This is our Olympus BX43 fluorescent microscope, and this is an Optolong cube. Let's put it to panel. And so you can see staining. There are some cells which fluorescence by blue. So it's a good filter, good quality, and we will recommend this DAP fluorescent cube from Optolong Optics. Thank you.